Hey, Jake with B&H. Today we're taking a look at Profoto's newest additions to their groundbreaking line of B10 off-camera battery-powered strobe lights, the B10X and the B10X Plus. Building on the portability, ease of use, and power of the B10 lights, the B10X boasts faster recycling times, brighter continuous light, and improved graphics for a more distinct and minimalist feel, so let's check them out. When the B10 and the B10 Plus came on the scene, they offered users a 250 watt and a 500 watt strobe output in an extremely compact and robust body. The lights also featured BiColor continuous output, making them extremely versatile for both photo and video applications. With the release of the B10X and the B10X Plus, users will now be able to push their creativity even further with these improvements. The biggest improvement comes in the form of recycling time. While the original B10 was able to recycle a full power flash every 2 seconds, the B10X can recycle a full power flash every 1.35 seconds. That's a 35.2% improvement. The B10X Plus can recycle its flash every 2 seconds, which is up from 2.5 seconds over the original B10 Plus. This increased speed will allow photographers to cycle more full power shots in a much shorter amount of time. On the video side, the B10X and the B10X Plus feature a fully dimmable BiColor continuous light that also doubles as a modeling light. With the new heads, you can now get light that is 30% brighter than their predecessors. This increase in power provides 3,250 lumens of light, so you'll be able to expand the number of applications that these lights can be used for. Physically, the B10X is the same size and shape as the B10 and roughly the size of a 24 to 70mm lens. There have been some slight improvements in body markings on the side and the back of the light for more refined simplicity. They are compatible with 120 plus Profoto light shaping tools, including those in the OCF lineup. The B10X and the B10X Plus also feature AirX technology, allowing for Bluetooth connectivity with smartphone apps, so you're getting the very latest Profoto technology built right in. So there you have it, 2 new additions to the popular B10 lineup by Profoto that allow you to push your creativity even further. But what do you plan on making with the new B10X and B10X Plus? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.